Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
People, after me can't I go meet my mother. My mother called me one side and say, Romone, me not like her. So me left the girl. She asked me why. Me no pan her answer.
My mama don't like you and she don't like Saturday night.
Yes. So after me and the girl break up, she just stop call me. So when me find the answer, hear what she said.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Me say yes. Me say yes. What is so annoying? You know no shame. Me say my God. Yeah, my girl will just stop run up my night bill. And last week me get a bill from JPS over 38,000. I'm in the man yard. So you know who left who? She come and ask me why. We know me no pan her answer.
Your love is electric. Your love is...
Yeah, people. So last week I play one party. I see the crowd bad like the Red Sea. I left one girl in the middle. So it's my girl. I poop let us poop. You know what the guy you pan the answer.
We coming out the dance and we mash it up.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the fastest man everywhere. In Falmouth, born and raised on the farm, I spent most of my days tying out goats and digging some yams, feeding the chicken inside the full coop. When a couple of goats, they were up to no good, starting going mad in my neighborhood. I got one little buck and my mom got the chills. She said, you're gonna train with Glen Mills. Never did just the bullet and pear. Ran at champs, nobody came near. If anything, my speed was rare. I said, yo, I'm gonna make a career. I pulled up in Beijing, nope, that was a cipher, so I knew I had to run faster. Looked at the record, it was finally mine. Now I'm the greatest runner of all time.
Right there, with that drive, where you make me reverse. You know what you come like? You come like my masters. We just could have passed you. Jesus. Your father Chinese, no? Because your body chow. You're the chops. No. Because I'm about 3 hours now, you're running off of mine. Jesus, girl, look at that. Yeah. Listen, love for you, it's like diarrhea. I just can't keep it in. Come like national anthem. Okay, let me stand at attention. Jesus. Cook soup, though. Because you're bubbling. Jesus, come on, girl. Move on, girl. I think you're ambitious. Watch him. You're like, put them bend up like corner. The artist, ready for your card now. Alright.
Yo. And the teacher, Vybz Kartel. Someone to know if me have a student on myself. No, but me have a student on myself. I saw me flow. Me Digicel, get it? Flow Digicel, Vybz Kartel, I'm not ready for resign yet. I got bars even though I'm behind it. Everyone I copy the word done. Them a follow me like Instagram.
Yo, artist. Yeah. You can't say Instagram artist. That they come out after you got jail.
Hold on. Yo, Shanstam, out here they make Instagram again.
Just in case you never know. 2012.
Oh.
You want to do something else.
Everyone take a page out of my book. Them girl like me. Facebook.
May I say now, Ellie? May I say I have a brand new song in there? You say ready for record?
Yep. Good to go.
Alright, okay here now.
My nigga, you know it's Elephant Man, back with a brand new song created by me, the Hennessy God. This one is called the Maniquid. It's gonna be the song for the summer, so run go tell your mama, let's go. My song, them all real crowd pleaser. Signal the plane, make everybody know me. Stay still like you're stuck in a freezer. Then you watch the camera move slowly. Elephant find a brand new thing. Sizzle. Everybody them on to the mannequin. Shizzle, don't move your hand them. Stay still, watch out. Everybody them are to the money queen. Shut up.
Yo, my youth, you can't hit. What you say? You say if you can't hit. No, that's good. Well, never pillar still. No, you can't hit this. Yeah, hit that. What you expect me to hit this? Thump it or kick it or something. Me never say hit, me say hit. Oh, you mean eat? Yeah, me say hit. Look in the fridge. Sure. My youth, one thing I see in this fridge of feed. I want egg. What? Me say egg. My youth, spell egg. You didn't feed that? E-G-G. Don't pronounce it. Egg. Sure. You need to have a look at sachets. I'm so when I try to carry now. Hey, that one. I buy a license.
Feed that boy, who you call one? Look like woman to you.
Sorry,
man,
sir, sorry.
Box in
Sorry,
him,
sir.
man.
Sorry, yes, sorry. Shit, police. Yes. What can I have, sir? As well. Take care, have a nice day. Going out to Babylon. You see me in them dirty taxi boy, yes, man. Hey, taxi boy. Go so moon, go so go the moon, dirty boy. You know say something else in the contract here, come chop up your dirty stinking taxi boy. You think me afraid of you? You think me afraid of you, dirty? Yo, me general, bây giờ là có tiếng make up by one food no. Wait, you're blind? You're blind? You're not see? You're not. Bây giờ tiếng man, you're move so. Sure, you make it. Brother, your mouth stink. Your mouth stink.
Yeah, people see it now, the original dancehall clashing. So right now we have one J Scholar, so you see it? Yeah. Over here, so we have the next youth. You want to go first? One J. So go through the general, spit the lyrics.
Yeah. Me go non apply cause it let it go anyway. Boy, you have to flee or go fly off anyway. Cause if them stay, they might end up a cemetery. Better than Messi and Pele. The lyrics when we speak this and no nursery rhymes. Them boy they young give them some nursery time. Talking about time, they not have that few years. We don't have to crush with that.
Alright, watch out. Bad. Watch you, one J Scholar. Watch you, Mr.
Free Kartel.
The tongue tell you know already. Baby, strand them off. Baby, strand them off. Put more chicken for me killing. Put more chicken for me killing. Baby, strand them off. Baby, strand them off.
Gonna find me gonna America. Me and me girlfriend when name Erica. Nah, no plane so we jump on the ferry. But I yard and me body in me area. Mash up the session and me mash up the stereo. From your bone off a sea boy make your hand go so bow. Fire for your bow cat man no fee bow. Fire for the boy where suck off girl to one we know. She's a hoe. Body in the place and the star on me show. Anywhere me go, be a girl have to go. Have a girl a bounce just like a yo and we know. She's a hoe. Party time and me have a few buckle. If you look outside and me be more that a chuckle. Got a girl in a me bed and she hot like a kegel. Phone Motorola, Benz, no Corolla. Straight weed will roll a girl a bubble like soda. So me go stand there, girl fi freaking, yeah me like sweetie. Don't she but she all follow me go peep it. Man fi brown so me skin me and bleach it. White like a flower so the girl them need me.
Yeah, people, see that again, you don't know original dancehall clash. This week we have a new challenger. Any name the general?
Mention, no boy can't jerk me, now box me. First thing, no boy can't kick me, now slap me. Next thing, and if a guy this me make one from the texting, me make shot squeeze and sneeze and bless him.
What you know? So see that again, my people. Real general, go to my boss. Free Kartel!
How old are you, man?
Watch it, man.
Yeah, man. All of them and them will know them no bow. Who top who know and say yo.
The tongue tell you know already. Baby, strand them off. Baby, strand them off. Put more chicken for me killing. Put more chicken for me killing. Baby, strand them off. Baby, strand them off. First man the casket. I ran to where you do now. In your head shot full of
wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.